In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge PDF in Adobe Acrobat. So first you want to open Adobe Acrobat, and then if you have a document open over here on the right, you can see Combine Files, or you could just go to Tools top left, and you can search for Combine Files over here. Whenever you click on it, you can then just basically add the files you want to combine. So the easiest way is just to drag and drop them in here like this. So let me just show you. So if I click on two over here, I can drag and drop them like that, and that works. Or if that, of course, doesn't work for you or you don't want to do it, you can just simply basically click on Add Files up top, click on Add Files, and it's going to open up this dialog box where you can select the files on your computer. So I'm just going to select these here. I'm going to click on this one, hold down my control key on keyboard, and then click on all the other ones I want to use. Whenever you do this, you can click on open, and all of these files are going to open in here. And what's great about this is that it's going to allow you to basically change the order of these, so you can just drag and drop them wherever you want them to be, and the order will change, okay? So that's essentially all you have to do. Then you can also add files, and of course here you can add open files, add folders, stuff like that, but that's all I'm going to do for now. And then here you can just click on Combine top right. It's going to combine all of these PDFs here, and as you can see, I now have one very long PDF, or in this case, it's 7 pages long because those documents weren't so long, but that's essentially how you do it. Then whenever you're done with this, you have to wait for a few seconds, and you can then just go and basically print it, you can save it, you can export it as a separate merged PDF. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.